Welcome to Carter & Haynes and our 2016 Volkswagen Polo GTI, finished in metallic silver. Really nice condition throughout. A couple of tasteful modifications. So it's got Bilstien coilovers, it's had a stage 1 remap, and it's got a Miltek Cat Back exhaust. It's done 126,868 miles, but to be fair, you really wouldn't know it. Taken in part exchange from a previous customer who's really looked after it. Loads of paperwork, very good service history, and it will be freshly MOT'd before sale. Part exchanges are welcome. We also are happy to take third-party finance companies. So for more information, do call us 01244 570 814. Thank you for watching.